Hey guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Instant Paid Influencer review, the newest launch from Tom E and Marc Gray. Now, I forgot my camera, I am in Cyprus, but I've got my mic, so you can probably hear me quite well. Nevertheless, let's do it. It's a very, very good product, so I don't want to skip it. Right, I've got my written review here, and I've got a whole bunch of amazing bonuses from Tom E, actually. So Tom E is the front face, if you may. Marc Gray will be your guide. He created all of the tutorials, so he will guide you through the whole process of how to crash it with Substack. Because this is all about Substack. It's quite a platform, it's the future. A lot of people are, cutting down on all sorts of social media platforms and focusing on Substack primarily because it's amazing. There are ways of monetizing, there are ways of getting obviously paid subscribers, free subscribers, and the content that you post on Substack ranks pretty well as well. In fact, one of the OTOs is all about monetization, okay, about SEO, Substack SEO and all of that. So Marc Gray has been using this platform for quite some time. So whatever you will find inside of the members area, and here I have it, okay, so here are the upsells. You see the monetization partnership is amazing, automatic income booster as well. I know that Marc Gray, so after having gone through all of the product and having watched all of the videos, I know that he created 2 OTOs by himself, from him. Right, so welcome from Tom E. Then the big reveal, 2 minutes long, 1 minute long videos from Tom E. Sweet and short to the point. He's just revealing that, yes, we are talking about Substack. And from there on, Marc Gray is taking over. He was saying that this time he will try to be more concise, more to the point. So his videos are anything from 5, 10 to 20 minutes max in this training course, but amazing stuff. So here is, before you get started, like an overview from Marc, then the introduction, stats, the platform numbers and proof, so all about, again, Substack. And from Marc's experience, he's been using this platform extensively for the last quite some time, okay? And he has seen great results, many subscribers, paid subscribers as well. So again, from his own experience, that's his personal feedback, he will guide you through how to make it work, okay? But anything from scratch, anything and everything from scratch. So if you don't even have an account on Substack, by the way, I don't have one. I'll be setting up one shortly, following this training course, going through this training course. I feel like, this is truly the future. I may come up and come back with a case study of how my account is doing, having implemented what Marc is teaching in this training course. It's really, gold. So, setting up the account, and then how to use custom AI to create a brand and create free and paid content. So, Marc will give you access to his custom GPT that he was programming for the whole week. This GPT is quite something, so it will guide you through the content you need to create, you need to personalize the Substack account and all of that, how to set up the profile to look professional, right? And then next video is copy pasting your first post, publishing using an image and restacking. So creating the content for Substack, and then getting your first subscribers, not organically. He will suggest a platform where you can actually buy, and that's not, as he was saying in the training course, it's not immoral as such, it's not morally wrong. People do that. It's not illegal either. There are platforms where you can, literally buy, for money, because it's about advertising your platform, right? So it's like promoting, self-promotion, if you may, which you pay for, basically. And he would advise you to do that, especially if you're starting with a new account, because that already makes you look like, someone who has following. Okay, so therefore people will be more prone to subscribing to you, to your account. And then even if you have a list, you can bring those people to Substack as well. And he was sharing quite a lot of interesting facts, a lot of stats from his account, and facts that the newsletter he sends via Substack don't end up in the promo section in your email, right, in your inbox, but actually in the actual inbox, if you know what I mean. So if you go to Google, you have the promotion, right, junk and primary emails. So that's where they end up. So delivery is really good. Okay, hitting the inbox every time and adding affiliate links. Yeah, that's exactly what he's talking about. I just covered that. Then getting basic settings and knowing your way around Substack. So more like advanced, cool shades, cool glasses. Setting up your the paywall settings. So how to monetize Substack. This is really a very important video. You can charge monthly, you can charge yearly, or like a one-off payment for your subscribers as well. So yeah, he's diving deep into it. Right, setting up your first paywalled piece of content live. Exactly. So it's a walkthrough of how he does it, the post, and then what to do next, and yeah, take action. So the conclusion, extra bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses these guys give you. Check this out. And yeah, crazy. And you will have some bonuses, additional ones. The previous launches, so previous launches from Tom E. and Max Gerstenmaier, but also Tom E. and Marc Gray. Okay, so the Affiliate Whisperer, Borrowed Shows Payday, the Big Redirect, Free Buyer Clicks for Life. These are his the previous launches. Tom E. with either Max G or Marc Gray. Front ends to all of these products are my bonuses. Alright guys, I'll leave it at that. Check out the funnel. Some amazing upsells. 2 of them were created again by no one else but Marc Gray. So definitely check them out. I think you're gonna love them. And yeah, that's that. That was my Instant Paid Influencer review. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.